Hey guys, it is Stormcaster here, and this will be a very short video forecast for the potential deadly tornado outbreak for this coming Tuesday for states of Kansas and Oklahoma. I see the highest threat will be northeast Oklahoma and parts of Kansas. There is a potential that there could be long-lived to destructive tornadoes. And here's a probability map of this potential outbreak. A 30% chance of probability for the majority of Oklahoma. Large destructive tornadoes possible. Life-threatening tornado outbreak is shaping up for this coming Tuesday. Stay safe, everyone, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.